Welcome to WaveEdu AI. I am Rajesh Yogi. I am working as a Chief Technology Officer at WaveEdu AI. From last few videos, we are talking on the technical aspect of artificial intelligence. What do we mean by artificial intelligence? What sort of artificial intelligence is out there? And how the machines are getting more and more learned, and what sort of technology is behind this WaveEdu AI. So far we have discussed what do we mean by data, algorithm, generative AI, machine learning, LLMs, and the best LLM, Google Gemini. In this video, we are going to discuss more on prompt engineering. So what do we mean by prompt engineering? In a very simple layman language, I just want to say prompt engineering means how to talk to an AI engine. Like you want to talk to an AI engine? That is what we call prompt engineering. Let's discuss today. Welcome back, and I am your host Rajesh. So we know Gemini is genius. Google Gemini is genius, no doubt. Why? Because it is a multimodal brain system. But even a genius needs clear instructions. If you ask a very vague question, you will get a vague answer. Let me just give you an example here. If we tell a chef, please prepare a meal, the chef can prepare a meal, but you don't know it's your meal or it interests you or not. But chef has done the work. Same way AI. How do we talk to an AI to get the best possible educational response? That is what we call prompt engineering. If you don't ask a right question, you are not going to get a right answer. So what is prompt? Let's discuss this first. A prompt is a simple text or an image or an audio input you give to the AI. In WaveEdu, we provide this input on behalf of your questions. So prompt is a starting command, and if a good prompt is not made, how you are going to expect a good answer? A bad prompt, computer will just provide a Wikipedia dump, which is hard to understand. So, if you really want a personalized prompt or a personalized answer, you have to send a very, well-designed prompt to the AI machines. That is the beauty which our engineers at WaveEdu AI, they are creating for your child's future. Prompt engineering is the skill of designing the perfect input to guide the AI system to the perfect output. A great prompt does 4 things. Set a role, then gives a context, then specify the format, and then bring the best available answer. And that is what our engineers working hard to get that mastery in WaveEdu AI. So we are not just asking a question, we are giving the AI instructions on how to behave and how to format the answer for your child's question. So here is the key value proposition of WaveEdu for parents and students. Your child should not have to be a prompt engineer. We are. Our team is having such a experienced engineers So when your child types a simple phrase, I don't get decimals or just tell me about this particular ketone formula or suggest me the answer of this particular questions. The WaveEdu AI team doesn't send the simple phrase to Google Gemini over API. That is what someone can do easily on a computer. But instead, our highly experienced educators and engineers or the intelligent system send a master prompt that looks something similar to your child's question. And that is what we have crafted in the entire system. The AI quickly takes the question and brings the answers in seconds. With a flick of eye, your answer is ready. The result ensures that every instruction is not just an answer, but a structured, effective tutoring session. So, today what we have discussed is that prompt engineering is the hidden layer of expertise that turns a smart chatbot into a world-class personalized tutor. WaveEdu is one of the best available personalized world-class tutor which we try and which we are trying our best to bring the best to best experience for your child. In the incoming years, we are going to make this tutor more smart. It's the difference our team makes. Now that you know the power and the instructions behind the AI, what happens when it gets something wrong? In next video, we are going to tackle the biggest technical hurdle which we faced during crafting this AI application, the hallucinations effect. Why AI sometimes makes mistakes. We are going to discuss how to help AI not to make mistakes in our coming video. WaveEdu AI is freely available on iOS App Store and Android Google Play Store. Download it, start using it if you are preparing for your year 12 board exams, for year 10 board exams, or preparing hard for IIT and NEET exams or regional engineering colleges. Tens of thousands of questions are available to practice you, to help you to master your subjects. Download free and let's start and discuss further in next video.